Clip to save, you will be amazed with Couponing Crystle.
Lovely people, Couponing Crystle here with a little CVS deal, super quick and super easy. The deals that will be discussed in this video are going to be valid from September the 16th until the 22nd. So you've got all week to do these deals. In our first transaction, we're going to purchase the Crest deal. Select Crest Pro Health 3D White or Complete Toothpaste. 3.5 to 6.2 ounce is on sale for $2.99 each. We're going to buy two and we're going to get a $3 extra buck. We're going to use the Clip to Card $1 app coupon, and in our 9/16 Retail Me Not, there should be a $1 Crest coupon. We're going to pay $3.98 in the store, but we're going to get a $3 extra buck. So after the extra buck, it's like you're getting two toothpastes for 98 cents. We're going to take that $3 extra buck and we're going to roll it into our second transaction. For our second transaction, we're going to do the soft soap liquid hand soap 8 to 11.25 ounce, or we're going to get the 3-pack of Irish Spring bar soap. They're on sale this week, 2 for $5, and when you purchase two, you get a $2 extra buck. Now we're going to roll that $3 extra buck from our first transaction when we purchased the Crest toothpaste. That's going to drop our price in the store to $2. We're going to pay $2 in store, and then they're going to give you back a $2 extra buck, which makes for an awesome deal, lovely people. So I hope this video is going to be helpful for all of you guys that want to start couponing at CVS. It's really not that hard. And let me know what you think in the comments below of this video if it was helpful for you guys. Remember, clip to save and you will be amazed. Bye-bye. Hey, lovely people, make sure you keep in touch. Email me at couponingcrystle@yahoo.com, or you can see me on Instagram and Facebook as Couponing Crystle. If you'd like this video, please make sure you give it that thumbs up and share it with your other couponing friends. Bye-bye.